For over 50 years, Apollo's footprints have rested undisturbed on the moon, a silent reminder of humanity's first steps beyond Earth. But that silence is ending. Artemis 3 is our generation's promise to return. Scheduled for 2027, Artemis 3 isn't just about flags and footprints, it's about building a future on another world. The mission aims to land humans, including the first woman and first person of color, on the moon's south pole, a region rich with mystery and potential resources like frozen water. Water could mean survival, drinking, breathable air, even rocket fuel for deeper space. Artemis 3 is the key to unlocking these possibilities. Unlike Apollo, this isn't a sprint. It's the first step in a marathon to build a sustainable lunar presence. The mission will test new technologies, NASA's Space Launch System, the Orion spacecraft, and SpaceX's revolutionary Starship lander. This partnership bridges the legacy of Apollo with the promise of a new era. Artemis 3 is more than science, it's inspiration. For every child who dreams of the moon, Artemis 3 says it's possible. It's a testament to what we can achieve together. The countdown has begun. The world is watching as we prepare for our next giant leap. Our journey to the stars is just beginning. Every great adventure faces setbacks, and Artemis 3 is no exception. The mission's complexity, new rockets, new spacecraft, and a never-before-attempted lunar landing, sparked doubts about the 2027 timeline. SpaceX's Starship, the largest rocket ever built, had to prove itself after early test flights ended in fiery explosions. NASA's own systems, the SLS and Orion, faced delays and cost overruns, pushing Artemis 2 to 2026 and threatening a domino effect. The mission's choreography is unprecedented, launching a fuel depot, multiple tankers, and the lander itself, all before the crew even leaves Earth. Each step must be flawless. The margin for error is zero. Many believe the schedule was too ambitious, that the dream might slip away. But in spaceflight, safety always comes before speed. The challenge is immense, but so is the determination to succeed. The dream of returning to the moon has never truly faded. Just as doubts grew, SpaceX reignited hope. President Gwynne Shotwell publicly promised Starship would be ready for Artemis 3's 2027 deadline. This wasn't empty optimism, progress was real and rapid. By late 2024, SpaceX had completed 5 full-stack Starship flights, each one pushing the boundaries further. A major milestone, the Super Heavy booster was caught by Mechazilla, proving rapid reusability. NASA's confidence grew as SpaceX's results spoke for themselves. The partnership between NASA's experience and SpaceX's innovation became a model for the future. Each successful test silenced doubters and brought the moon closer. The countdown now beats with renewed confidence. The Starship of Hope is being built, flight by flight. Building a lunar lander is a monumental task, and SpaceX is moving fast. Every test flight in 2025 and 2026 pushes Starship's limits, gathering vital data for reliability. At the heart are the Raptor engines, now evolving into the more powerful, efficient Raptor 3. Engine reliability is everything. They must fire perfectly in space for landing and liftoff. NASA and SpaceX are collaborating on the heat shield, using lessons from the space shuttle to ensure Starship survives re-entry. Reusability is key, making the whole Artemis architecture possible. The most ambitious test ahead: orbital refueling. Starship must be fueled in orbit by tanker ships, a gas station in space. Early 2024 saw internal propellant transfer tests. A full ship-to-ship demo is set for 2025. Mastering this will open the solar system for exploration. Each milestone brings us closer to a sustainable lunar future. Optimism is high, but challenges remain. Engine reliability is critical. Raptors must relight flawlessly for lunar descent and return. Managing cryogenic propellants over long missions is another hurdle. Every drop counts for the crew's safe return. The scale of ground operations is unprecedented, launching a depot, then a fleet of tankers, all in rapid succession. SpaceX is expanding Starbase and Kennedy Space Center to meet this demand. Before astronauts fly, an uncrewed dress rehearsal will send Starship to the moon and back. This is the ultimate test, proving the system is ready for humans. Success will require relentless testing and unwavering focus on safety. The final stretch is the most demanding, but the finish line is in sight. Artemis 3 is a cosmic ballet of precision and power. It starts with SpaceX launching a Starship propellant depot into Earth orbit. Next, a series of tanker Starships fill the depot with fuel. Then, the Starship human landing system launches, docks with the depot, and fuels up for the journey to lunar orbit. Meanwhile, 4 astronauts launch aboard Orion atop NASA's SLS rocket. In lunar orbit, Orion docks with the waiting Starship lander, a historic meeting of 2 spacecraft. 2 astronauts transfer to Starship and descend to the moon's south pole, using a special elevator to reach the surface. For about a week they explore, conduct experiments and collect samples. When finished, they ascend in Starship, rejoin Orion and return home. Every step is a testament to teamwork and technology. Artemis 3 will make history again. The moon is within reach. Artemis 3's success depends on the deep partnership between NASA and SpaceX. This isn't just a contract, it's daily collaboration, with engineers from both sides working side by side. NASA's experience in human spaceflight shapes Starship's safety and design. Astronauts themselves help refine the lander, ensuring it's practical and intuitive. NASA's expertise in cryogenic systems and heat shields is woven into every step. This partnership is a blueprint for the future, combining government experience with commercial innovation. NASA's investment in Starship extends beyond Artemis 3, laying the groundwork for a sustained lunar presence. Together, they're building not just a mission, but a new era of exploration. The future of space is being forged, hand in hand. Artemis 3 is more than a mission, it's a turning point for humanity. In a new space race, it's a statement of leadership and peaceful exploration. The moon is our training ground for Mars and beyond. Every lesson, resource management, radiation protection, living in low gravity, prepares us for the next giant leap. For a new generation, Artemis 3 is history in the making. Diverse astronauts on the moon will inspire millions to pursue science and exploration. It's a mission that unites us in purpose and vision. Success will make the moon part of our present and future. The spirit of exploration is alive and stronger than ever. By returning, we reaffirm our identity as explorers, forever reaching for the stars.